A Master's Hands LLC is a full-service general contractor with more than 30 years of experience in all areas of home remodeling, maintenance, and construction services.
Our mission is to deliver handyman services and remodeling services to clients around the greater Denver metro area. And as we do that, to deliver them in such a way that we're serving each client as if we were serving God.
Founder Jim Bartlett spent many years as an apprentice to his father and grandfather, who were both master craftsmen themselves.
Well, in 2008, when the economic downturn was beginning, Jim was laid off from a corporate position. And he was looking for another position like that in high tech. In the meantime, some of our friends said, hey, we know that you're handy with tools and that you've got a lot of abilities and skills, so would you come over and fix these rotting windows for us, or would you please put this sink and this disposal in for us, and we'll pay you to do that.
Jim and his wife Michelle are especially proud of being able to provide jobs that help people get back to work and support their families. A Master's Hands now consists of a team of 12 highly skilled technicians.
We are a one-call solution. A lot of our clients, they need a little of this, they need a little plumbing, a little electrical, they need drywall repairs. It's always something, and sometimes they have a really long honey-do list and there's no honey doing that list. So they can call us and we can come in and do the whole list.
And fortunately, Jim was in marketing in IBM and Storage Tech and other organizations, so he really understood the things to do to make the business succeed from a marketing standpoint.
The company is a respected member of the Better Business Bureau with an unblemished record and is fully committed to customer satisfaction.
I think success is just every day being able to deliver total customer satisfaction to each client that we go see.
I really enjoy working with the Master's Hands because I work at home. Malcolm, you go to work, so you're outside the office, so he always turns it over to me and says, can you call Jim at Master's Hands, and can you organize and get this fixed and that fixed and this fixed and that fixed. So I'm in charge, number one, of scheduling, and I do have a full-time job, so it's great that when I make an appointment, they're very, very reliable. They arrive when they say they're going to arrive, which normally isn't the case with a lot of other industries.
So Master's Hands has really made our life so much easier. We just develop one of those big long honey-do lists every 3 or 4 months. We call Jim and he comes over and he takes a look at what work needs to be done, schedules a time for he and whatever work and they needed to come over and do the work, and the work is done. No fuss, no muss, consistent, reliable. I don't know where we'd be without a Master's Hands these days.
First struck up our relationship with Jim Bartlett and his business of Master's Hands almost 3 years ago, and that was for Jim to come out and take care of some sprinkler issues outside the house. And right away we knew, that this was a company we could trust. We had found his name on the internet after looking through a bunch of different companies. And
it kind of built on from there. So we started small, and then it kind of went bigger. Our relationship with Jim, and what impressed me, I think, is that he would show up on time. There weren't these long drawn out windows of time where we were expecting and waiting for somebody. He showed up on time.
He didn't give us a 4-hour window.
He didn't give us a 4-hour window. Yes, right.
So that was welcome.
The job is completed on time, on schedule. One call to Jim at 1-800-Master's Hands takes care of everything efficiently, fast, and easy. I trust Jim in my house alone, completely, no problem.
We started a Master's Hands in 2008, and the intention was to create a company, a team of individuals that could deliver affordable remodeling and handyman services to our clients across the metro area. And that's what's happened over the last 5 years, is we've built a great team and we've been able to serve hundreds and hundreds of clients.
You can hire anybody to do a job, but Jim and his group are exceptional. A day with Jim Bartlett and a Master's Hands in it is always a better day. I will call them all the time.
And we have more. Have we told you about the fence? We have more, yes. We need some fence built.